Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you completely back up your Google Gmail account before you lose it. So the first thing you should do here is you have to go to a Google web browser and then type Google Takeout and then tap the very first link that you can see here. Okay, so tap this one. Now as you can see, you have here Google Takeout. And as you can see, your account data export a copy of content in your Google account. You can export your files in alerts, assignments, calendar, Chrome. You can also export your contacts. You can export your drive here, the accounts on your drive. You can create a copy from your Google Chats, also from Google Play Store. You can trace the files from your Keep. You can trace the files from Maps and Gmail and so on. So as you can see here, you have 48 over 49. You can also deselect or you can uncheck those you think that you don't need. And if you want to select all, you just have to scroll up, tap deselect all, and then tap select all. As you can see, it's 49, 49. So now I can export this. So what you're going to do is to scroll down here and you will see this next step. So all you have to do is to tap this one. Now you can choose your own destination for transfer. So you can add it to your drive, add to your Dropbox, add to OneDrive, add to Box. Everything is up to you. And then for frequency, you can export once, or you have the choice to export every 2 months for a year. So that would be 6 exports. For file type, you can choose this to zip. For size, then you can choose if it's 1 GB, 2 GB, or depends on your size that you want. Okay, so after that, you can tap next, and as you can see, it's export progress. So this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You will receive an email when your export is done. So created August 2. So once you have received it, then you have the full copy of your Google account or Gmail account here. You can cancel the export or you can create another export. Everything is up to you. But that's how easy it is to completely back up your Google Gmail account before you lose it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.